I will show you how to join Hotspot from iPhone to another iPhone. Open Settings on your phone. Click Personal Hotspot. Press Allow others to join. If you have to remember the hotspot name and password. Like the example here, the hotspot name is Yogi, and the password is also there. Then you go to the other phone. Go to Settings, then to Wi-Fi. Look in other networks for the name of the shared cell phone hotspot. Click on the hotspot, then enter the previous password. Congratulations, you have joined the hotspot.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.